This video is a courtesy of PCD Business Solutions. You need to hear this if your computer's being a pain in the neck. Hey there! If your PC's got a virus, don't panic. Follow these 5 easy steps to clean it up. Step 1. Disconnect from the internet. This stops the virus from spreading and keeps your data safe. Step 2. Boot into safe mode. Restart your PC and press F8 repeatedly. This lets you work without the virus interfering. Step 3. Run a full scan with your antivirus software. Don't have one? Install a trusted antivirus like Bitdefender or Malware. Step 4. Delete any infected files. Your antivirus should do this for you, but double-checking never hurts. Step 5. Update everything. Make sure your software and operating system are up to date to prevent future attacks. And that's it. Your computer should be virus-free and running smoothly again. Easy, right? Hit that subscribe button for more tech tips. Stay safe and happy computing. PCD Business Solutions. Call us today, 305-827-2327, Hialeah, Florida.